What's going on, everybody? Skips here from Skips Happy Hour. We left off with replacing these IDE cables, and I haven't actually tried the computer yet, so I figured we'd try that right now. Let's see what we get into. So the computer is a K6. I'm just going to turn it on. I've hooked everything up. I have not tried this. I have no idea what's going to happen. I don't really like to edit my video. Okay, there we go. That's a good sign. TNT Ultra showed up. TNT2 Ultra. So like I said, it's a K3 600. 262 memory, and I just have the BIOS set for auto, so those other two hard drives aren't there. All right, let's see what happens here. Oh no, I'm gonna have to edit this out. All right, we're gonna escape that. Here we go. We're gonna see what happens. I probably should have let that run, but I have faith. All right, let's see what happens here. I mean, I'm surprised it even booted up, so that's good. I'm surprised it's booted up. All right, here we go. Machine's kind of noisy. Oh, the other thing is the hard drive light's actually blinking now. Before it was stuck on red. So the hard drive's actually working as the hard drive light's not stuck on anymore, which was worrying me. Oh, look at this, man. It totally works. I have no sound hooked up. I do have I have media hooked up. I got my sound canvas hooked up. So I didn't hook a sound card up. Probably should have, but there we go, look. It's actually working. Let me see if it picked up the Roland card. Yeah, it sure did, look. There's the Roland MPU-401 out in GS compatible mode. All right, so this surprisingly seems to work. Let's see if we can see. I want to go to the media devices and see what we got here. So there's the AUS64 in and the MPU-401. MPU-401 out, AUS synth, media out, creative synth, and the media mapper. So I usually keep them like this so I can pick which one I want. I don't even know if it's going to play. I have not tried this. I'll just pick one here, send system exclusives. Yeah, I don't even know if it's going to work. Maybe. It might. Oh yeah, cool. That's awesome. So yeah, there you go. So what's cool about this software also is, if you want to, you can set, this mouse is really giving me problems. I probably should have put a thing here, but you can select each track. You can select whatever media output you want. So if you have something that's, if you have like a, you know, a synthesizer you want to use, you can actually select each track and output it that way. So, all right, so that actually worked. I'm surprised. Let's try one more. System exclusives, yes. Hey, all right. Heck yeah. That's totally working. All right, so the computer works. I want to try something else now. So I'm going to kill Windows. I'm just going to kill it and get out of here. And then I'm going to just shut this down. And I'm going to see if we can get DOS to boot up real quick as well. I haven't tried the DOS is on another part of the you know, the IDE cable. So let's see what happens here. So first thing we start off, I'm going to cut it on there. Love it. All right, so I'm going to try to get in the BIOS here if I can. So you can see K6-III 600 CPU. All right, so I got in there. So I'm going to just go ahead here and just change the drive to drive C. I know you guys, there's other ways to do this, but this way I can change hard drives without having to actually have a boot partition on there. I find this works well. I don't know if it's going to work. I have not tried this. So we'll see. I don't think I have an auto exec batch file. I think that's where I remember it. I'm going to rename I have a backup one in there. I'll rename it, see if we can get it to boot up. Starting in with DOS. Yeah, I told you. So let me see if I can get this monitor to auto adjust there for DOS. Okay, that's good. And then I want to just rename this one. I think I have another one on here. I have a Phil's Computer Lab one on here. But for some reason it looks like, so let's just rename it. I don't want to rename it F3. I want to name it autoexec.bat. All right, I'm going to reboot again and let's just see what happens. Maybe we'll be able to get lucky here. I have no idea. So far, so good. I don't know, we'll see. All right, let's see what happens. All right, it actually booted up. We got some stuff here. So I didn't see Phil's Computer Lab set up, so. Okay, so I edited the autoexec bat file and the config sys. Let's reboot it and see what happens now. Come on, Daddy needs a new pair of shoes here. I got Phil's Computer Lab start files on here. I don't know if they work. We're gonna find out. Maybe. Oh, there we go. So I just want extended memory. That's it. CD. I don't even care about the CD-ROM. It's probably not going to work because it's not in there. Okay. All right. Well, there we go. Let's see if it works. CD to WIN31. Uh-oh. I'm far away from the keyboard, so give me a break. All right. Uh-oh. Is it going to work? Yes. All right. Awesome. So check it out. So here's WIN31. It looks really good. All this stuff works super fast. Yeah, so we got the sound. I don't have a sound card in here, but I do have a MIDI. So what's the MIDI set at? FM. No, we got MPU-401. All right. All right, so I'm gonna go there and close that and go over here. Let's open Cakewalk. MIDI out, MIDI in. Okay, let's see what it finds. I have no idea if it's gonna work, so. Roland and Roland. Move to top. Oh, there's a sound blaster and an ad lib. All right. I just gotta find a file now. All right, look at this one, Slow Groove. Look, Roland GS and GS and General MIDI modules. I don't know, let's try that one. Obviously want to send the system exclusives and see if it plays. I have no idea if it's gonna work. Horrible song, but it works. What else we got in here? That's a MIDI file. All right, let's see what that one does. Man, this is mouse. I seriously got to get a thing in here. Nice. It says Yamaha, so we probably want to use Yamaha on this, but still playing fine. Set for General MIDI right now, so I guess that's correct. Okay, that is pretty cool. All right, that was really bad. So yeah, I got some stuff in here that's decent, I guess. All right, so it works, man. So we got from this to the horrible cards. It works. I don't know what else to do on this particular video. I plan on getting into the Visual Studio. I'm going to do that, and we're going to recreate the media player. We're going to use some MIDI calls, and it will work in Windows 3.1. It'll work in pretty much anything whatever we compile it to. So we're going to get to play with that. It's just easier. I don't know, there's a video on it if you want to see what that is, but I lost it and all the code got deleted. Actually, I found a hard drive in a box. Maybe that hard drive has it. I don't really care. I wanted to redo it anyway, and we'll do it on film. So let's go back to that one. All right, so yeah, so everything seems to work. Windows 3.1. It's awesome because, like, I mean, Win31's pretty cool, right? I don't know. VGA. All right, so there you go. It actually worked. You guys remember this old stuff? I think so. All right, I'm gonna kill this. Kill this. All right, so there you go. K6-III at 600 megahertz. SSD hard drive, and the other hard drive, the DOS hard drive is a compact flash at 2 gigabytes, okay? And it works fine with DOS 622. And it's connected directly to the other hard drive. Actually through the CD-ROM, I think it goes there first. I'm not sure. And also when I redid, I haven't put the floppy cable back in. I have one. It's over here somewhere. I'll get that. So I don't know. That's it. Skip's happy hour. I just wanted to see if I can get this equipment working. Mainly see if this dang computer worked. And thanks you. If you guys want, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. I'd really appreciate it. I don't do this. I don't do this to make money, but it motivates me to do more. So if you liked it, do all that weird stuff, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye. The Little Professor. Let me know if you played with that when you were a kid.